I'm just so sorry for those of you who feel like the medical world has abandoned you. You know, doctors have a lot of work to do and a lot to catch up on. All right. You're so welcome. All right. Bye-bye. You know, one of the things that I'm seeing a lot is people who feel abandoned by the medical world, and it just breaks my heart. You know, I was a patient for many years before I became a doctor, and I remember how overwhelming and scary it was to be sitting there sick, staring down a white coat, hoping that they had answers. And the answers were often scarier than the feelings I had to begin with. But there's a lot of folks that I see who feel like they've been going to the doctors and they're not being listened to. They're treated like they're insane. And the woman I just talked to had that experience where she'd spent 38 years of her life healthy, never went to the doctor, didn't even have a primary care doctor because she was so healthy, suddenly started to feel very sick, was going to the doctors, going to the hospital, and basically being told she's fine and you should just talk to a therapist, while knowing deep inside that she was really sick. Ended up with a whole lot of medical issues in and out of the hospital. And while she was in the hospital, came to my free classes on disease reversal and sent her husband out to go get her some green smoothies from a place that made smoothies. And in a week, she was feeling so much better. She left the hospital and she's been doing so much better ever since. And so she just met with me for an online consultation. And we went through everything she's doing, and I'm going to help her take it to the next level. But her symptoms are almost completely gone, just having learned from the free information that I teach. And changing her diet, eating vegetables, getting rid of the animal products, the dairy, the processed foods, and she's healing. And I just give her so much credit. And all of you guys out there who are struggling, just know that you're not alone, that there are answers out there. And I'm just so sorry for those of you who feel like the medical world has abandoned you. You know, doctors have a lot of work to do and a lot to catch up on. And the most important thing is to know that you can start taking your health into your own hands. So if you missed the last set of classes, don't worry, there'll be new ones coming. But all the classes I teach, they come directly out of my book, Goodbye Lupus, which is on Amazon. So I've been getting some messages from people who are like, oh my God, I missed the classes. How do I learn? Okay, well, everything I teach is right out of my book. It's Goodbye Lupus. It's on Amazon. My entire healing protocol is there. If you're looking for more free information, you can go to goodbyelupus.com and click on the media page, and you can read articles that I've written or have been written about me that detail the protocol as well. And if you're struggling to get it right on your own, make an online appointment with me. You can go to goodbyelupus.com and click on appointments, or join my next rapid recovery group that's starting in June if you're looking for me to hold your hand and make sure you get better every single day. Whatever you do, whether it's reading the book or reading some articles or getting my help directly, don't give up. There is health on the other side of what you're going through. You can get better, and you have the power to do it. So I hope that gives you hope. And to all of you guys who feel alone, you're not alone. There's so many of us out there who are here for you and support you and believe in you.